And another thing, I'm a quarter zip dude now. Simple. I don't do that Nike tech stuff what y'all little boys do. I can't do that. I'm elegant. I'm classy. For me, like you could take me somewhere. I look presentable. Y'all Nike tech dudes scare me. Y'all put actual fear in my heart. Like after God, I fear y'all Nike tech dudes. Truthfully, like I don't know how y'all do it. This is elegant. You see what I'm saying? Like, get you a quarter zip. Forget the Nike Tech. Forget the Lululemon. You don't even got to do aloe. Aloe expensive. This is like 15 cash, and I feel classy. And y'all know I hit the gym, so my muscles is showing. Like everything's perfect about this. So let's steer away from the Nike Techs. Let's be different. Get you a quarter zip. Like it's truly grown man attire. Like certain people can't rock this the way I rock this. Like y'all Nike Tech do scare me. Yes, I was wearing a Nike Tech the other day, but that don't matter. That's neither here nor there. This right here for me, when my bro said like, I'm a classic man. I mean, you could be me when you look this clean. Simple as that. I ain't gonna front. I'm feeling a little performative today. I might even get a matcha. Like, I don't even like that grass stuff, but I feel classy, man. And we don't ask women for their Instagram no more. If you see that woman you think she look good, rather than saying, yo, what's your gram? It's, hey, what's your LinkedIn? Maybe we connect on LinkedIn.
Oh,
And then from there, instead of doing Instagram and FaceTime, it's, hey, what's your availability on Google Calendars? Let's meet on a Zoom. Let's meet on a Google Meets. Be different. None of that. What's your gram? What's your FaceTime? Nah, you elegant now.
I love it. I love it. The YNs are becoming YGs. Yeah. The YNs are becoming YGs. What's a YG? Young gentleman. I love it. The thing you got to understand about fashion, trends, culture, they always come back around. I remember when I was in college and I was wearing these like quarter zips with the fresh khakis, dress shoes on. You couldn't tell me nothing. Pea coat when it's cold. But I love this though. I love that our young men are waking up. Being in a Nike tech suit all day, looking like you about to rob somebody with a ski mask. Gotta get rid of that. You ain't getting no girls with that. You ain't getting a good woman with that. But I love it that the men are doing it on their own and not doing it because a woman is saying you look good in a quarter zip. You being grown and you being smart on your own. Getting the matcha. Hey, I don't want your gram. What's your email? What's your LinkedIn? Get back to the old school ways, man. And I love to see the young culture embracing this because there's nothing wrong with dressing nice and having confidence in yourself. But I love it because the men ain't doing it because a woman said on her Instagram or her TikTok, man, I love a man in the quarter zip. These men are just doing it because they feel good about themselves. When you feel good, you perform good, you work good, you enjoy life, you ain't trying to kill nobody. But I love to see young black brothers waking up. We in the era now, man, with this younger generation, these young men, they're smarter. They understand. They're not falling for the lies, what they see. I'm gonna be classy. I'm gonna find me a classy woman. When you project classy, professional, that's what you're gonna get in return. If you project hood, ski mask, rob you, that's what you're gonna get in return. But I love seeing as I saw that. I said, I gotta talk about the quarter zips because it's taking over the young generation. Keep doing it, bro. You look sharp, man. Well dressed, professional, talking good, no slang, talking like you got some sense, like you've been to college. Bring the nerds back. We got to start making being a nerd cool. We got to start making having information and knowing things about the world cool again. Make nerds cool again. Because what it is, these women go out there, they want these thugs. They want these people that's not doing with themselves, but got a bunch of cash, these rappers, but they look down on the people that's willing to go get an education and just talk proper and be able to treat you right. So I love the fact that the young men are doing this because they want to do it. That's the first step of growth. You're not listening to nobody else. You say, I want to do it. This makes me feel good. I'm not doing it because a woman says it looks good. I'm so glad y'all not falling to these trends no more where a woman says, oh, I like a man that wears this and everybody go wear it. That woman ain't got no power over you. You see what I'm saying? So I like the young G's, the young gentlemen, not the young gangsters, the young gentlemen. I love it. I love it. That's what we need. Our young black brothers to feel good about themselves, dress up and understand that I feel good about me. That's all that matters, man. You feel good about yourself, it projects the person that's supposed to be around you for the rest of your life. You dress nice, you dress classy, you enjoy the simple things, going for a coffee, for a matcha, hanging out, not going to the club, but chilling, reading a book. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. Let's make nerds be cool again, bro. Let's make hey, I like him because that nigga smart. That's what we want. That's what we want for our young men is to be smart. Is to understand, don't fall into what you see. Just because you see these hood rats going after these rappers don't mean you gotta be that way. Get you the right one. And then you know what? You looking nice. What they gonna start calling? Oh, you looking like an Uncle Tom. You looking like a white boy. No, I'm looking like me. This is what I like. This is what I like. You know how many times I grew up in the hood of Long Beach, California. I've happened to have my mother and my father, but my stepfather, but he's still my father because my father passed away, right? You know how many people call me white boy? Do I sound like a white boy? Nah, they just call me white boy because I just talk nicely. I don't talk hood. I didn't jump into the gang culture. I wasn't a follower. I, I was a leader. I didn't throw up gang signs, even though I got family members that heavy affiliated. I wasn't doing that. That wasn't about me. You see what I'm saying? But they used to call me, bro, you a white boy. Because I do things the right way. But you don't get that within your own culture because they afraid of change. So young men, don't be afraid of change, bro. Don't listen to the people that's behind you. Because the people that's ahead of you, in front of you, that see another black man dressing good, gonna congratulate you. The people that want to see you do good is gonna help you and continue to push you forward and not hate on you. Because the people that hate on you ain't supposed to be in your life. But that's why I love this new sensation about the quarter zips because these young black men need to start looking like they are something because they are something. Stop looking like a thug and you won't get pulled over. Stop looking like a gangster, you won't get pulled over by the police and beat up. Stop looking like a thug, you won't get shot at. It's all about the looks. First impressions. Quarter zip, white tee, glasses on, clean cut. You ain't gonna shoot at nobody like that. You probably respect them. What do you do for a living? You know how many times I dress nice and just wear simple stuff like this, and people ask me, "What do I do for a living?" Why? Because I'm wearing a quarter zip and I'm not talking with slang and I look put together. People judge you off your looks. You could be the smartest person in the world, but if you wearing a Nike Tech set, some J's with a ski mask, what they gonna think? He's here to rob me. But I love this new generation coming in this thing with the quarter zips. They're gonna really be killing it if they come back with the corduroys. But I don't know if they're strong enough. I don't know if they're strong enough. But then I started seeing a lot of kids with these quarter zips because of why? They go into schools that make them wear uniforms. That means they're in private school. That's great because our kids need to be in private school because you see what's happening to these public schools. So I love to see young black men into a private school that's put together and they gotta wear these things and they happy about wearing it. And they're around other young men that's hyping them up and say you look good and not tearing them down. Watch the company that you keep, young man. If you got people in your company hating on you because you dressing nice, you got to change your environment and go somewhere else because they not supposed to be for you. I tell you, a lot of niggas that made fun of me when I was younger and said I was different and say I talk like this, I talk different. They ain't nowhere near to be around. They not in my atmosphere. I don't talk to them. I don't conversate with them. Don't catch up with them for what? You was hating. So always keep good people around you that's gonna take care of you. That's gonna understand. That's your style. That's your style. Respect it. You know what? Let me give me a quarter zip. But when you stay in your style and you're not easily, pushed to something else, people start gravitating to you because now you're a leader. But shout out to all the young men out there with the quarter zips. Keep that thing going, man. If y'all really bold, y'all gonna throw the corduroys on. Let's see if y'all gonna get on that trend as well.